you're on this channel to get some tips and tricks to accelerate the process of your English speaking journey. Hi, I'm Shilpa, and I'm going to help you navigate on this journey of yours where you'll be learning tips and tricks about becoming a fluent and confident speaker. So what do I mean by fluent and confident speaker? I mean speaking clearly, correctly, and confidently. These are the three elements that you need to work on to become a fluent and confident speaker. So today is the first part of the 3-day series. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And what are we going to learn in these 3 days? Yes, I'm going to share you 3 important things that are going to get you started immediately. So let's begin with the first one. Today, I'm going to share with you one mantra, which I call it as the fluency mantra. So this mantra is going to help you get started from no matter what your level is. Okay, you could be a beginner or you could be just above that, but still, wherever your level is, whatever your level is, you can just get started immediately and you don't need anything for this. So what do I mean by fluency mantra? Yeah. So this is the mantra to your fluency now. That's the first step that you're going to take now. So right away from now itself, what I want you to do is get started with speaking in English now. If you're at home, you could start speaking with your spouse or with your kids or anybody that you're living with. Okay, any person. So you can just communicate to that person that this is what you're going to do for a couple of days and let's get started. Help me and be there with me now. Number one. And suppose it's just not about speaking with other people. No, it's also about, like, suppose you're at home alone and then there's nobody there to practice with. You can still do it with yourself. If you're alone, you can also practice loudly. There are other benefits of speaking loudly as well now. Okay, so if you're alone at home, start speaking. Now, what do you speak is the next question. So what do you speak? All right. Just suppose you're sitting in a room, then you can just start to describe the room. Maybe you will not get the right sentences, the right words, the right, the patterns and the grammar aspects. It may not make much sense. For some of you all, it could, depending again where you stand today. So what you can do here is just go and start speaking. Anything that you see around in your room, make sentences. If you step out of the house, start making sentences even there. And if you can communicate in English with other people, try doing that as well. Okay, so go easy, go slow. Okay, take one step at a time, see what you're comfortable with and put it down. Put it down in a piece of paper. How do you want to do it? Okay, because once you put it on paper, it's going to become very clear what steps you're going to follow. Get started and let me know how this works for you. And I'll see you in the next video where I'll be sharing with you the second thing that you could get started with. Until then, make the fluency mantra work for you.